If your Discord recent activity tab is completely empty, blank, or refusing to load your friends' game statuses, don't worry. This is a common app glitch, and we are going to fix it step by step. First, we need to refresh your activity privacy settings. Open Discord and click on the User Settings gear icon in the bottom left corner. Scroll down to the Activity section on the left and click on Activity Sharing. At the top of this window, you will see an option called Share My Activity. Toggle this switch to off, wait a few seconds, and turn it back on. Right below it, do the same for the Share When I Come Online option. Close the settings and check if the Activity tab loads. If it is still empty, the second step is to check your custom profile status. If you have any text set as a custom status on your profile, Discord can completely hide your game activity feed. Click on your profile picture in the bottom left corner, hover over your current custom status, and click the X button to clear it completely. Once your status is blank, check the activity feed again. If that doesn't work, the third step is to clear the corrupted local cache folders that are blocking the feed data. Completely close Discord by pressing Ctrl, Shift, and Escape to open your task manager. Find Discord, right-click it, and select End Task. Now, press the Windows key and R at the same time to open the Run box. Type %appdata% and hit Enter. Find the folder named Discord and open it. Inside, find the folders named Cache, Code Cache, and GPU Cache. Select all three folders, right-click, and delete them. Now, restart Discord and check if the issue is resolved.
If the Activity tab is still blank, the fourth step is to fix a network protocol glitch. Press the Windows key, type CMD, right-click on Command Prompt, and select Run as Administrator. Click Yes if a window pops up. Type ipconfig/flushdns and hit Enter. Once it says Successfully Flushed, restart your computer and open Discord. However, if absolutely nothing worked, your installation profile is completely corrupted. Your final option is to open your Windows Start menu, type Add or Remove Programs, find Discord, and click Uninstall. Then go to the official Discord website, download the latest setup installer, and reinstall the application to fix the activity bug for good. If this step-by-step guide helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more straight-to-the-point tutorials. See you in the next one.